Welcome to this video on grammar learning. Hello everyone, welcome to this video on comparison of adverbs. As we have already learnt the fundamentals of degrees of comparison, let's directly get into the formation rules in adverbs. Rule number 1. For adverbs ending without ly, add er to the positive to form the comparative, and est to the positive to for form the superlative. Let's see few examples. Hard, harder, hardest. Fast, faster, fastest. Long, longer, longest. Soon, sooner, soonest. Rule number 2. For adverbs ending in ly, use more before the positive to form the comparative, and use most before the positive to form the superlative. Let's see few examples. Swiftly, more swiftly, most swiftly. Skillfully, more skillfully, most skillfully. Carefully, more carefully, most carefully. Patiently, more patiently, most patiently. Suddenly, more suddenly, most suddenly. Wisely, more wisely, most wisely. Rule number 3. Some adverbs are compared irregularly, that is, their comparative and superlative are not formed from the positive. Let's see few examples. Well, better, best. Badly, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Far, farther, farthest. Until we meet again, take care and thank you.